Okay, guys, in this video, we're going to go over getting the Amazon keys and registering them correctly so that everything works. Amazon, they changed the way things work. Back when I started, um, they did it a different way, but now they do it another way, and you have to register your keys. So, and I had to do this as well. So I'm going to go through how to get your keys and get them registered so that they work on your sites if you're using an Amazon plugin or whatever. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and log into your Amazon Web Services account. If you don't know the login or the URL to your login for AWS, you can just do a search for AWS in Google. It'll take you to your login page. So you want to log into your Amazon Web Services account. Okay, after you log into your Amazon Web Services account, you're going to see this little bar up here and it says services, okay? And then you're going to see all of the services that are under your AWS account, okay? Now, when you look here, what we're looking for now is, if I can just get this to stay, we're going to be looking for this little key or IAM, um, but look for this little key, and that's where we need to go. So we're going to click there and go into the IAM. Okay, this is identity access management type stuff. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we need to go and create a user. Okay, you may have already done this, so if you've created keys already and maybe they're not working correctly, if you've already created the keys, then you've already probably created a user. Okay, so on this IAM um, dashboard, we're going to go to users. Now it's a good idea. Let's say that you've already created keys, maybe they're not working or whatever the case may be. It's a good idea just to go ahead and create new keys and do it the right way. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to create a new user. So we're going to come up here and then we're going to create a new user. Now when you create a user, you can create it for a specific site or for all of your sites, whatever. You can use keys on all of your sites. Now, what you want to understand is that Amazon will limit your request to their API. So if you're using one set of keys on a bunch of different sites and you're doing, you're using that one set of key a lot, they will throttle it more. But I mean, I've been using the same set of keys for a long time, so you shouldn't have any problems. So let's just go ahead and enter a username. Let's create a new user. Okay, so we're going to click create. And I forgot, you got it, you can't have any spaces. Okay, let's go ahead and create. Okay, so once the user is created, we're going to click here and show security credentials. It's going to generate your keys. Okay, once those are generated, you can download them, you can copy them to a notepad. We're going to go ahead and click close. It's going to ask you that, it's going to tell you that you didn't download the keys, so if you put them on a notepad or whatever, you can go ahead and close. Now for these keys to work, they have to be assigned to a user, so the user has to be created. Now you also want to make sure that your keys are active. Okay, a lot of times when you create a key, they may be created but they're not active or registered, so you want to make sure that they are active. Okay, if one of your keys is not active, just check the box here and click manage keys. Make sure that they're not inactive and make sure they're active here. The next thing you're going to do is go ahead and sign into your Amazon Associates account. And what we're going to do now is go to the Product Advertising API page. Okay, so once you, and I'm going to give you this URL so you can go straight to it so you don't have to look for it, and I'll give that to you. So what we're going to do is log in. Okay, and you notice we're in the Product Advertising API section, and this is the point where we register the keys that we created. Okay, we created the keys, but now we need to register them for the Product Advertising API. And this is a step that a lot of people forget to go ahead and do. And this is what I talk about. The keys have to be registered. Okay, all right, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and you can read this if you like. We're going to go ahead and click on Manage Your Account. Okay, you're going to go to this page It's going to say your security credentials, and you're going to have this pop-up. Okay. What we're going to do is click here to continue to security credentials. Okay. Remember, we created the user already, so we need to go here. Okay, so this is the page we need to be on. We're going to go ahead and click create. One thing to note here, you can only have 2 active at one time. New access key. Now you want to download the key. This is going to be your secret key, or you can show the access key here, download the key here. Okay, once your keys are created here, then you're ready to go and work on the site. Your keys will work on your Amazon sites that you're working on. So you'll be able to pull information from Amazon, and you'll be ready to go. Okay, don't skip any of these steps or it won't work. So make sure you go and create the user, what we did before, and then come here and do this. Okay, so that's how to do create Amazon keys at work.